Then Abu Dhabi.
Meaning the all interest or Hakimi Achraf for him.
Abu, I want to come back.
You're wrong. It seems their story here very, very interesting.
Abu, I mean, say, guess maybe for Wadri.
Sir.
You see, players have always been the subject of these particular situations whenever we move outside. Especially with players who move free, baby, my mohan momotai to kwako. Omo mohona do not tiny momo. It almost so delay. They are very careful about it. Share how Cristiano Ronaldo showed your mommy. I tried to be beer for mommy so. And our brother they don't normally believe in our RSM. It was the most of the players na sha. The oba ware pa say bia me we akoware no na che say gidie no ye be the all ni papa na tena che. I wouldn't be surprised if Cristiano Ronaldo marries Georgina Rodriguez at some point in time. Yeah. Because of the way Omunio City here. But in reality check and one kasana Abu Dhabi. Achraf Hakimi knows that one baby of free wedding. They are tossing me no mama na brush na de na bedroom pepe so ati say. Anonim said the way musu ban city here ogro ho na so ye mistake a ye be chen your money tu. Ye chem so tu no so a ana ditira nya ye kra na dodo na nkasa ba akodi oba ne wo. Na afi wan fa hwe amafie. Na abeda ne wo. Se ukọ akwantu mo anfa hwe ama. Emi say Achraf Hakimi wadawroma me wa award bi a me kotra award ne so kakraka na me de ba na abon panyan Hakimi me de brew.
Ba
what memanim
akomia
Hakimi what memanim
akomia asem na eyo divize obi ni obi ejai a onya hwe na eyo de
me filibasa
obi ni obi ejai zo ni nipa na tra
na nya adwen papa na ode na ma aka akọpa ejapade
ono so no na abra
abu one na wan na abra na Hakimi sha ase ko ha ba bi Hakimi sha ase na obefa lady way
ancestor no aliza brabo no
you know some of these things you know your mom ahodo there are some women Abu Dhabi genuinely a person no build a family genuinely a person no build something in the future genuinely you feel sad dream on the buy in I think Hakimi knew what the lady had in mindset and son make his plan no. Hakimi knew ankasa na abu wan enkwa no nkobo from ebuei edane ni sun ebuei edane ni sun Tiger Woods no
yeah
these people don't play. Be smart. Don't play with them.
About the other about power. The other guys be breeze be who cry.
As you see, Adi Hakimi aye. He say be na ho. Wa be tu kwa bi abeko bia no. He say be fa ho adwen with these particular ladies you. And you wouldn't actually fall short when it comes to such instances.
SOMPA Sports.
And me sure say the Moroccan meet other players. If we are for na no. See Hakimi na Boys Men Association president is so officially Men Association no you're the president na ma Achraf Hakimi
ara we smart move pa
me say lady nanka say be gene nsem sita
that is only akaza lo labolo o ye jwa ko foru zo ska bolo diska ska di rele ma me
and one
ajapade ni nyina ne ma
anabu wo de bibia to nchense how smart he is some parents are very very smart
yeah
especially with mothers. Oh, bompire. It would be a bompire so mamma nyame money in check. Because I dream and no dream. Mothers always think 2 steps ahead. Mammy 4. Said ne we a bear man so to final farm mamma nyashia kono kokutu ne panic on a mamma miss so facha me manyeni. What mothers see? Sometimes what the mamma see what missing mamma and do betcha on crampuno. Abu, me there were times I sat with my mother. And my mother could predict say why you we. Abraham won a manu. O wait my catch or say Mrs. say why I do we say. Etching a banana no crane my ampa. It shows you the level of foresight they have because they carried you for 9 months. It is your mommy muyepa. I wouldn't be surprised that Hakimi I didn't know no and Hakimi didn't decide you. Mamma and Rebecca says I'm not sure. And the woman will even decide and tell him say baby I will do. And these are people who still scold. You can't scold or that's so tiane ban. Your parents be one man no matter the level you reach. Ne ban. Mama no be for be fear catch you say, "Massa, I didn't know you Cristiano Ronaldo your mommy." Obe catch you say what you are doing is not right. Stop it. She killing Mbappe your mommy. Marcus Rashford, he still lives with the mother. And these are players who take £1 million, they take €2 million. Abu Diana Hakimi person told me to.
Obitimi ato.
mileage be ne contract be na Hakimi pe e say brand ambassador bia onya one pa na Hakimi kwa na nim say ma miska nipa kwa ntimi ntama scam farmer Hakimi say jefa. But this is what mothers do. Obeka che ne say usika ne si bi fa bi fa ha uye ni say beboa kai ba bi a wo free a wo ye dey oba first kan na to say da be a ujai born no bona oba okruma obetimi this can no etimi ai dachi bibi. So I'm not surprised that Hakimi yes and the mother is at the heart of this particular decision. Meaning say lady ni be na address Hakimi, but the mother is at the heart. The thing you work up in the dream be ka say Morocco be amfani parent ba look at obi ane ne mame. Why? E dey here because abadaye the emotions that mothers bring,
SOMPA Sports,
the empathy that mothers bring, abu skantminto.